হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু লার্নিং উইথ সুশ। আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা কিছু ইংলিশ সেন্টেন্সেস শিখব যেগুলো আমাদের স্পোকেন ইংলিশকে আরও ইমপ্রুভ করবে। ইংলিশ কোশ্চেন্স অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার্স। হাউ আর ইউ? আই অ্যাম ফাইন, থ্যাংক ইউ। হোয়ার আর ইউ ফ্রম? আই অ্যাম ফ্রম ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল। Where are they going? They are going to the market. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where do you live? I live in Kolkata. Which one do you want? I want that one. Do you have any siblings? I don't have any siblings. Are you there? Yes, I am. What do you do? I am a student. Would you like to play Ludo? That would be great. What are you doing? I am watching web series. Are you busy now? Yes, I am. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Shall I go? Yes, you may. Shall we start? Start right away. Is there AC in the room? Yes, AC available in the room. Are you busy? No, I am free. What's your favorite food? I love to eat pizza. Has someone come? Nobody has come. How are you today? I am much better today. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. May I go with you? Yes, you may. Whose bag is this? This is my bag. Why are you laughing? Because I heard a joke. Won't you come? No, I will not come. Who is that girl? She is my friend. Can you handle it? I will try to handle it. May I put it here? No, you put it there. What did you buy? I bought a beautiful dress. What does it mean? I don't know. Do you have a girlfriend? Yes, I have a girlfriend. Are you done? I am done. Is it hot? I think so. How was the movie? Not so bad. Are you married? No, I am single. Do you need help? No, I am good. Thanks for asking. How does it taste? It's delicious. Are you thirsty? No, I am not. How was the movie? Not so bad. Is it possible? Yes, absolutely. When will you go? I will go by Tuesday. Do you like your job? Yes, I really like it. May I smoke here? No problem. Where did you stay? In a hotel. What to do? Let's play cards. Who did you meet? I met my friend. Have you done this before? No, it's the first time. Who gave you this sweet? My new neighbor. What did you say? I don't say anything. Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. Has someone come? Nobody has come. How was the party? We had great fun. Can you help me with this? Of course, I will be glad to help. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I am going hiking with friends. Is this the right way? Yes, this is the correct way. Did you see that? Yes, I saw it. Can I borrow your pen? Sure, here you go. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I completed it earlier. Can I use your phone for a moment? Sorry, my phone's battery is low. Did you see the news today? No, I missed it. What happened? Did you finish reading the book? No, I am still in the middle of it. এই সেন্টেন্সগুলোকে আমরা যদি রেগুলার প্র্যাকটিস করি তাহলে আমরা খুব সহজেই ইংলিশে আরো ভালোভাবে ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারবো। তাই যদি করতে চাও নিজের ইংলিশকে ইমপ্রুভ তাহলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো লার্নিং উইথ শুশ। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং। ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু সাবস্ক্রাইব, লাইক, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড কমেন্ট ডাউন।